This vibrant and hearty Spanish-inspired chickpea stew takes just 15 minutes to prepare and serves 2 to 3 people. Bursting with bold flavors like smoked paprika, cumin, and oregano, this dish combines tender chickpeas with sweet red peppers and a rich tomato base, all cooked effortlessly in the microwave. Perfect for a quick, nutritious meal that's packed with traditional taste and warmth, is sure to become a favorite in your busy kitchen. Let's now check the ingredients. 1 can of chickpeas, or 1.5 cups cooked chickpeas. 1 small onion, chopped. 1 garlic clove, minced. 1 small red bell pepper, diced. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/2 cup canned diced tomatoes. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by placing the chopped onion and minced garlic in a microwave-safe bowl with olive oil. Microwave on high for 2 minutes until softened. Add the diced red bell pepper to the bowl and microwave for another 2 minutes until the pepper begins to soften. Stir in the smoked paprika, ground cumin, and dried oregano, mixing well to coat the vegetables with the spices. Add the canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed, and diced tomatoes to the bowl, stirring to combine all ingredients evenly. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then cover the bowl loosely with a microwave-safe lid or plastic wrap. Microwave on high for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring halfway through until the mixture is heated through and flavors meld. Remove from microwave carefully as the bowl will be hot. Stir well and adjust seasoning if needed. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley for a burst of freshness and color. Serve hot directly from the bowl, pairing it with crusty bread or rice if desired. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.